2019 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety. Offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, power liftgate, navigation system, remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, keyless start. Come take a test drive today.